Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I want to show you guys my amber jars. One way I like to organize my things is by making them look uniformed, and I'm able to do that with these amber jars. So I've been putting all of my hair products and body products in these jars. As you can see, this one is for my lotion, and these jars, you just pop open the top like this, and you can, use it. What I like about these jars is that I'm able to put liquidy products in here, able to put powder-like products in here, and other types of products. So it's really versatile and where I'm able to put different things in here. I love that it came with these little stickers for me to be able to label each thing. I've been enjoying using these jars, and I highly recommend them if you're looking for a way to organize or make a certain area in your home look uniformed. And that's my point of view.